Good morning! Well, finally, off ko na. Salamat. I'll be relaxing for 4 days. Grabe. Anyhow, I'm really looking forward sa off days kasi remember, I have injured toenails. Tapos, nag-slide lang din ako sa banyo and I have a big pasa on my balakang. So, really need a rest day. And of course, if it's off day, it's laundry time. Yan. Yan, whites muna, and then mga underwears, and then I always put yung stockings ko dito sa parang laundry bag. Kasi, syempre, para long lasting yung stockings nyo. Yung stocking na ginagamit ko everyday for work, ayan, nandyan sa loob niyan, outside. Ano yan, I've been using it for years and years now. Kung hindi lang nasa-scratch ng kamay ko, I mean, hindi siya nasa-scratch ng nail ko, hindi siya masisira. Kasi, and I don't like hand washing. Kaya lahat nilalagay ko sa washing machine. Inaano ko na lang extra soap. Kasi sakit pag nag-hand wash. At saka hindi naman masyadong madumi yung ano namin hobby. Ayan o. Then I put a little powder. Detergent powder. Siya lang. So, see you in a bit! And my brunch for today is actually, it's not breakfast, it's not lunch. Anyway, brunch na lang. Because maybe I will have my dinner when, early dinner, pag nandito na si Habi. And I'm still lazy to cook. It's actually, parang our food supply is dwindling. We ran out of coffee. And yung tea, Lipton tea. So I'm drinking now my flavored tea. I choose for today blueberry and vanilla, and I put a little honey, and of course the grilled cheese sandwich. And maybe we'll go grocery this one of my off days kasi wala na talaga kaming supplies. And mamaya na lang ulit. Kain tayo. Oh, it's the last day today as per the subscription sa akin that while enjoying this one. Yeah, Dove Album series. Hi! Hindi ako makapagluto kasi eto na siya. TV series ng tanghali.
Ito na mga tweet na mga nabagan sa atin. Galing kay Bancho.
Ayun na si Yaya Dog.
Ano sabi ni Yaya Dog?
Nasisiraan na siya ng...
Ayan na.
Ay, nako.
Hoy! Ay! Tigilan niyo na yan! Sinusubukan mo talaga.
So funny.
Isa ka pa.
Dahil mo na yun, Dora.
May sikreto, ano yan yan, ano?
Kaya!
Oo.
Si Lola. Dibdiban mo! Mainit yung mainit! Mainit yung kanyada! Gamot ni Yaya yung gamot mo! Yung gamot daw! Tigilan niyo yan! Tigilan niyo yan! Hihiyan ko yan! Tikat ng ulo mo! Ay, hindi niyo na ako ginagalit. Babala.
Asawa ni?
Sawa ni? Kahit mali-mali mo.
Ano na po ako nagbagnet. Good luck to me. So, I'm gonna boil this. Yan yung dating pinaglutuan ng bagnet namin few days ago. Sayang yung mantika. So, like that. Sabi niya, habi pa kunin yung mantika and then i-drop yung bagnet. Put little water on it and then takbo! So, shmilak! Yan yung bagnet. Sabi nga, bilagyan ng konting water. Pero hindi silang kami ng water. Sana matuloy siya, maluto siya. Hi! Time check! 3:30 now in the afternoon. As you can see from behind, it's been 4 days na nandun yung aking tiklupin. Plus, additional kasi naglalaban na ulit ako. Kakatamad kasi, pero this week, I'll make sure na wala nang naiwan dyan. So, tomorrow ko na lang ayusin, sabay-sabay na. Pag natuyo na rin yung mga nilabahan ko today. Anyhow, in those past 4 days, wala naman akong ginawa. As you can see, nag-work lang ako, ganun. I'm missing my munchkin too much. Kasi di siya masagot sa phone call or sa what you call this, sa mga messages namin sa mga sa FB. Anyhow, pagdating ni Habi, tatawagan namin yung mga bata. I miss them so much. Yan talaga buhay ng OFW. Anyhow, whatever sacrifices you give to your loved ones, you will reap the harvest. So, hang in there, mga kagaya ko. And, pag alam nyo yung goal nyo, di kayo madiligaw. And, you will reap the harvest. Ganun daw yun. Pag kung anong tinanim mo, yun din yung aanihin mo. And, I'm investing on love and memory. So, para sa kanila. And, that's why I even started this vlog. Kasi I want them to see, I want them to go back kami rin. Kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin everyday na magkasama or magkahiwalay kami or hiwalay kami sa kanila physically. But they're still in our hearts. So, see you in a bit! Yes! That's our ulam for today, bagnet. Kain tayo dinner, guys. Oo. Adi. I'm just gonna say good night now, everybody, and hope you have a great weekend ahead of you. God bless everybody. Bye-bye. We miss you, munchkins. We love you. Ate Jaja, Ate Miss Mia, Mommy and Daddy love you so much. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I guess we'll call it a day na po. Natapos na ang first off ko. Yun po ang ginawa. Nanood kay Mama Lola ni Dora. Inabangan lang yung Aldab TV series telenovela. So good night everybody. Good night Daddy.
Good night.